So here we are at the Cape Carteret Town Pier. I'll do a quick pan around for orientation. There's the pier. Out that way is the old ferry channel going back over to the private boat ramp. So they're up in here. This is the spoil from where they're dredging the old ferry channel hump and all the connectors back in here. Today they're getting ready right here next to the pier. My guess is to be able to bring the barges up close to shore to put more of the spoil up in this area here onto these empty lots. They have been back over there piling up and then moving the spoil to empty lots in the neighborhood, but let's go back here. We can watch what they're doing there. And then we'll go back to here. So right now they're putting up the silt net so that the muddy water doesn't run back into the marsh. There he goes. Rinsing his deck off. We'll go out to the end of the pier here. This guy's been working out here for weeks. Right over here, Ms. Holtz has put in some new boat lifts. I don't know whether she's going to be renting them or selling them, but I hadn't been over here to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that I see there. Now we're out on the end of the town pier. TDU is the contractor for this project. Walk back down the pier. There's van 15 sitting there. And a lot of you that have been down here, you know where this is. Let's see that cute little house over there. Look at that cute little house right there. We'll walk back down here. All the guys are out here working. What's up, man? Hard working at it. That's the excitement for today.